are three ways that you can bid on construction jobs. You can bid on residential construction jobs, you can bid on commercial construction jobs, you can bid on municipal construction jobs, all of which have different ways of bidding. So they're usually these days applications or softwares that you use to submit your bids to. So in the residential space, certain applications that you may want to apply for include Angie's List, formerly Home Advisor, Houzz, H-O-U-Z-Z, Build Zoom, Builder Trend, Thumbtack, which is another one. But regardless of the actual software, these are types of softwares and applications that connect you to individuals that own the property so that they can connect with you with the type of construction project they're looking to do and then allow you to bid on it. So you would bid on it electronically through an actual software or service. With commercial jobs, there is a similar set of applications that you can use to the ones that I mentioned in residential. You would use or pay for that software in the commercial space that allows you to connect with either general contractors, subcontractors, or even owner builders or owners of these commercial pieces of property, and then it'll connect you to the construction project that they're looking to do, and then you submit your bid. Again, usually electronically, via email or through a professional platform. On the municipal side, you may want to connect with town officials. They do it either through their system, they have a portal or system that you can submit bids to and upload it to, but usually what you'd like to do is connect with them first so that you can get into the system, because that's usually more closed off to a very closed group of individuals. So there's filters that you can use on these actual softwares that allow you to say, hey, for example, in the commercial space, I'd like to look at projects between 1 and 5 million because certain construction companies don't have the infrastructure to build a $25 million project when they can only bid from 1 to 5 million. If you're looking to bid under $1 million, then again, there are filters on these applications that you can use so that you can pick the type of projects that are most aligned with what your construction company can offer. Same thing is true for residential. If you're looking to only do kitchen remodels, you can add that as a filter and use a certain dollar amount in square footage, which are additional filters that you can use to, again, pick the type of construction project that you think your company has the infrastructure to support.